What if I told you I could save you a couple $100s on a flagship robot vacuum without you doing anything? Dreame partnered with me to cover their flagship vacuum, but this model, the Dreame X60 Ultra Complete, is cheaper than the highest end Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete, but has almost all the features, only minus a few things. So is the X60 Ultra a better deal, and should you go for this instead? To make this video way easier to follow, I'm going to leave complete out of the name, so I'm going to refer to these vacuums as the X60 Max Ultra or the X60 Ultra. First thing I want to show you is an unboxing of what comes in the box, because the first difference is here. If you want to save some money on this model, then hit the link in the description to check current pricing, because catching this on sale is the right move. You'll get everything you need in the box, including plant-based cleaning solution, which I think is awesome. Now, the difference here between the X60 Ultra and the X60 Max Ultra in the unboxing experience is that you don't get as many accessories in the box. Since you pay more for the Max Ultra, you'll get extra filters, more mop pads, extra dust bags, additional side brush, and more cleaning solution. But you could always buy these accessories separately if you need them. I think they have a package bundle like this on the website anyway, so I don't think it's that big of a deal. The first thing I notice about the Dreame X60 Ultra is just how nice the base station looks. I have tested so many robot vacuums, I can't even count them all, and they all have their signature looks. But I really love this one because it looks so high-end. The accents are a nice touch on the sides, and I love how clean the lines are because it's completely enclosed. There's a door on the top that covers the clean and dirty water tank, so I think this just elevates that high-end look. From the texture on the outside to the shape, I think this is one of the nicest looking robot vacuum bases out there. On the base, the middle plate comes off, and that's where the dust bag is kept, which Dreame says is good for up to 100 days depending on your usage. But for me and my usage, I usually change the bag once every 3 months or so I don't expect anything different here. On the X60 Ultra, there is a detergent container here next to the dust bag, and that's where you will pour your concentrated cleaner into. This one is a single container, which works perfect for me. But on the X60 Max Ultra, it has a dual container, one for regular cleans and one for pets. So that's one of the differences there. To get started, it's incredibly simple. Just download the Dreame Home app, and it will guide you step by step on how to get it connected to your home Wi-Fi and do an initial setup. And then let it quick map your house, and in about 5 to 10 minutes, you'll have a functioning map for you to get going with your first clean. It doesn't matter how much money you spend. If it doesn't clean well, then it's worth nothing. So let's talk about how this vacuum identifies and sees dirt before we talk about the performance. When you start this vacuum, you'll notice this blue light that is always on, and that is something that I've never seen on a robot vacuum before. So what does it do? Well, this is Dreame's proactive light dirt detection system, and this is supposed to help the vacuum identify dirt more accurately. So it'll be able to discern maybe between a clear liquid versus pet waste, or identify hair over fine particles. And what that does is help the vacuum react accordingly to the dirt that's there. The dual AI cameras on the front also help this vacuum to identify objects better as well. Over 280 items, in fact, and as small as 1 centimeter too, with this 3D structured light. So this is one of the most advanced systems that you can get right now. It even has a feature that I've never seen before, and this is for rugs that have tassels on them. This vacuum can identify them and avoid them, so it doesn't tear up the tassels on your rug every time it cleans, which I think is really clever. This system can tell the difference between colored and colorless liquids, so it can slow the machine down, lift the side brush so it doesn't spread the liquid everywhere, which I think is cool. And it can change the pattern of the clean on the fly to make sure it cleans the spill or stain properly. I also love that you get pictures of the obstacles too after the clean, so you can see exactly what it is. I think this is the first robot vacuum that I've ever used with dual cameras on the front. The obstacle avoidance is maybe a little more cautious than some of the other flagship vacuums that I've used, but I don't mind this at all. I found that it doesn't hit any furniture by default, but there's a setting that you can change if you want to get more spicy and then make it get closer to the edges. There's even a mop setting where it can get really close to the furniture legs, so you have a lot of control on how it cleans. The pop-up LiDAR is what powers the navigation system. What's cool is that this LiDAR sensor retracts into the body, now making this vacuum 3.13 inches thin or 7.95 centimeters. I'm so glad that Dreame caught up in terms of thinness, because this will be able to get under really tight spaces, as you can see here in this demo. If you have thresholds in your house, then don't worry, because this thing is a beast. It is able to climb double layered thresholds up to 8.8 centimeters, and you even have options in the app on how it climbs these thresholds. So this is next level control. Okay, so let's jump into the vacuum performance. The Dreame X60 Ultra has up to 35,000 pascals of suction power, so that is some of the highest suction that you can get on the market, and it works very well. This vacuum has great suction and carpet performance. It is one of the best that I've tested this year so far, so you will not be disappointed. The main brush itself will lift and move, but the big difference between the X60 Ultra and the X60 Max Ultra is the X60 Max Ultra has a retractable pressure plate that comes down so it can isolate and improve the suction suction area for carpet. So this is a cool feature, but know that you're going to get great carpet vacuuming performance from either one of these. I always want to test hair pickup when I get new vacuums because between my wife and my daughter, there's hair all over the house. The X60 Ultra has an improved dual detangling brush, so the hair will be funneled towards the intake. Look at all this hair being picked up here, got it all in one swipe, and as you can see when I flip the vacuum over, there's no hair in the brush. So if you have kids or have long-haired pets, this is the vacuum for you. So the overall vacuum experience is great, and this being a flagship vacuum, I love that the side brush extends so all of your corners don't get overlooked. So this is a full high-end vacuum experience.
Mop pads installed.
The mopping experience also has something that I've never seen before. These are thermal mop pads that can hold in heat for about 4 minutes of the clean. So this will help break down oil stains and just adds another flagship element to the mopping experience. Now, how this works is that the mop pads take advantage of the crazy hot water mop washing up to 100 degrees Celsius, which is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can see with the thermal gun that the mop pads do retain heat in the initial cleaning period. So this is such a cool feature. The dual spinning mops spin at 230 RPMs and apply 15 newtons of downward pressure. So in everyday language, that means they spin really fast and they put pressure down while spinning. So that's going to give you the best possible clean. Just like the flex arm tech on the side brush, the mop also extends to scrub the corners. So you can just see how close that gets to the baseboards. So the mopping is also flagship level. You are getting the best cutting edge tech on both vacuum and mop, which makes this a complete system that you should look into. But if you mop and vacuum at the same time, it's all good because the vacuum will lift the mops up to 10.5 millimeters and will lift the side brush 2 to 10 millimeters as well, so you don't have to choose. I can't end this without talking about the software. I know I showed you a few settings earlier, but the level of customization in the Dreame app is insane. You have a ton of control over the map. You can set cleaning order on the vacuum. You can do zone cleaning on specific parts of your house if someone makes a sudden mess. You can set no-go zones. You can pin thresholds in low clearance areas. There are so many dock settings that you can customize. Floor cleaning has one of my favorite settings, which is clean along the floor direction. And you can supercharge your edge and corner cleaning as well. You have a built-in voice assistant that has a ton of direct commands, so you don't need Alexa or Google Assistant. You have access to a real-time camera, so think about this as an extension of your security system at home, or if you want to check on your pets while you're gone. There's even a feature where it will take pictures of your pets for you and put them in an album, which I think is cool. There are even some experimental features that you can try. Up here, you can schedule your cleans. You can literally customize anything you want. So the software matches the hardware, which I think makes this one of the best vacuums that I've tested so far in 2026. So if you're looking for a flagship vacuum this year, this needs to be at the top of your list. They are big commitments, so if you need more info or need to get a discount on this, I will leave a link down below for you to make it easy. Personally, I think this is the best buy in the X60 series because you're only missing a few things from the X60 Max Ultra, like the dual cleaning solution, the retractable pressure plate, and the extra accessories. While those are great things to have, I think this is the best value for cleaning performance at this price range. So let me know if you agree or not. Thank you for watching, and definitely let me know if you pick one up in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next one.